Good morning. My name is Minh. Recently you sold my dad a second-hand car, and the contract said if there were any problems with it within 90 days, you would fix those problems for free.
Yes, that's right.
Well, I was driving to uni this morning and I suddenly heard this weird clunking sound from underneath the car. At first I thought maybe I had run over something, although honestly I didn't see anything on the road. Anyway, it got worse, and so I pulled straight over. It turns out the transmission on the car is badly damaged and needs to be replaced.
Sure, the registration is LWHD. Yes, that's right. Sure, I understand that the name on the contract is Kang Trang. He is my father. He bought the car for me, as a present for the start of my uni degree. It was such a sweet thing to do, and I was so happy to get such a great gift. Well, that doesn't sound right. Whether Dad bought it for himself or for me, you said that you would fix any issues within 90 days. And here we are. I can't work out whether you were ignorant or apathetic. I don't know and I don't care. Listen to me. I will speak slowly. I am coming down there with this bomb of a car that you sold my dad. You are repairing the transmission. And if you do not, I am going to leave you such a bad Google review that everyone will be like burn. Oh yes, and I will also sue you. See you in half an hour.